Welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today is part one of my collaboration with the Sophisticated Ladies Club. Miss Penny asked us to do a Christmas wreath, or if we couldn't do a wreath, to decorate a platter. Not a tier tray, but a platter. So I am uploading this video today so it does not conflict with my wreath video for tomorrow. And just a reminder, video is November the 17th at 6 o'clock p.m. Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I am going to be doing a Christmas simple but elegant platter. And this is a platter that I found out in my garage that I thrifted for, 99 cents. I've never used it. It is dusty and everything else, but I wanted to make sure that y'all saw the price. It does have a little chip here, but I'm not too worried about that. So I'm going to get this cleaned up, and then I'll be back and show you how I decorate this lovely platter for the holidays. On with the video. So I'm going to use my black teapot. I'm going to fill it with hot water, Christmas Eve, and give the option to Santa to make some hot chocolate. And here is his marshmallows, or her marshmallows. Okay, and I made chocolate chip cookies over the weekend, and I know this is a gravy bowl, but I thought this was cute to place the cookies down inside, and I'm going to test one out. Holly berry china saucer and teacup. So, maybe some pudding or a fruit cup for Mr. or Mrs. Santa Claus. I'm going to stick that right there. Give them options, because it's a lot of work Christmas Eve. And Mrs. Santa Claus, she likes to have snacks while they're doing what they need to do for the kids. I purchased these from the Dollar Tree many years ago, and I just found them. So I'll fill that up with milk. Place that on here like so. Maybe over here. It's a lot on this tray, I know. And then I have my teaspoon and my fruit fork. I'll place that there. And this is the spoon. And place that down. Okay, so this is the final look. I showed you the Santa. And I put a little reindeers up. Hot chocolate, marshmallows, a little old-fashioned milk jug. And I'm using my gravy bowl for the cookies. Napkin. So this is all complete. This is everything they need to munch on and drink real quick while they are here. Now I'm going to do a second look and I'll be back. Okay, so I have look number 2. I changed it up because I thought it was a really little bit too busy. So I put my Santa Claus up here, over here, and I ate all the cookies, so I'm going to bake some more and put in the gravy bowl. I thought that was cute. And I am using my K-initial plate that I got at Hobby Lobby about 90% off about 2 years ago. And it has a little spreader. And then my K coffee mug. I just got this over at Home Goods last week. Then my Santa. And then I'm just using my Dollar General 2-tier red tray that I scored last year for $5. And just added a little poinsettia, make it a little sparkle. So I thought this was more kids friendly. When Truly gets here, you know, she can add her cookies. I will put the milk little jar back up to put the milk in, or we may just keep that. But this is my second look. So y'all let me know which one you like as far as a Santa tray. Yeah, so I added this gold pieces at the last minute. I wanted just to give you 3 different ideas for a Buttler's Pass-Thru. I may use this as the bar, like for my wedding anniversary, New Year's Eve. Hopefully Santa will be bringing me a bar cart, and I can maybe revert back to look 1 or 2. So once again, you know, just another idea. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna go with, but you'll see when I do the walkthrough of my Christmas Wonderland here in my new house. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.